Stop confusing epics with user stories. Today we are going to learn how to create epics, features, user stories, and bugs. What's an epic? An epic is just a big goal that you break down into bite-sized pieces. For example, a family vacation. You can have multiple epics just like you can have multiple destinations during your vacation, such as a trip to Hawaii, a trip to Disney World, and etc. A features is like a large bucket list of work required to make the epic happen. You can't just do a feature in one step. It holds many smaller tasks such as transportation and travel arrangements, flights, rental cars, train tickets, lodging and accommodations, hotels or camping sites, and activities itinerary, booking tours, buying theme park tickets, mapping out hikes. The user stories are the bite-sized, actionable tasks. It is small enough that one person can complete it easily, such as book a mid-size SUV rental car so that you have enough room for all of your luggage. Call the bank to notify them of your travel dates so your credit cards don't get frozen overseas. Make a hotel reservation at the beachfront restaurant for an anniversary night. The bugs. Think of them like the unexpected disasters. A bug is an error or a failure in the plan. It's an unplanned roadblock that stops the vacation in its tracks and requires an immediate fix. It could be the departing flight was abruptly cancelled due to a massive thunderstorm. You arrive at the airport security line and realize you left the passports on the kitchen counter. You check into the hotel, but their system crashed and they lost your reservation entirely. The rental car gets a flat tire on the side of a deserted highway.